Hello guys, in this video we are going to make a Shibori tie dye. Shibori is a fabric that is dyed by dipping the cloth that has been dyed into the dye. And now we will make a triangle folding technique. So the material we need are white cotton cloths, cloth dye, rubber, basin, glass, hot water, and cold water. First, straighten the fabric and fold it lengthwise. Then, fold the triangle at one to the other. And tying the fabric with rubber. After that, dissolve the dye with 1 cup hot water and 4 cup cold water. If it is dissolved, dip the cloth in the dye bath one at a time. Next, dry in the sun within 4 minutes. Finally, open the ties and dry again until the color really appears. The Shibori cloth is ready.